What is the default path environment variable setting on fresh install of Windows 7? A user of ours cleared their path, thanks to some directions on the internet. What is the default path? I am a developer, so I have tons of extra stuff in mind. What should my user get on a plain Jane 1?
According to this MVP, on Vista it was. I would assume the same for Windows 7. I also have.
I just finished installing Windows 7 Enterprise SP1U x64 English in a virtual machine. I can certify the following as the default path environment variables. Note that I haven't installed anything, not even the additions, drivers, or tools, into the virtual machine. Default system path environment variable, the inconsistent capitalization is as is. There is no default user path environment variable, i.e., no such variable was set.
Sorry, mine's no longer plain Jane, but I've removed the obvious added items. This is on 64-bit, remove the x86 bits if you're on 32.
There's really no such thing as a default path. It changes as software and devices are installed/removed. However, at a bare minimum, your path should contain